I'm Jim Leishman, and I'm here at the Telgeren Partners facility in Tuzla, which is right outside of Istanbul. And this is the main factory hall here. We've got about 13 Nordhavn 41s at various stages of production. We have a brand new 51 that's in the background here, along with two other 51s in this factory. Right next door, there's a layup hall, which we use for lamination. There's actually a number 51 in that facility, hall number 4, which is in the lamination phase. In addition to the boats you see in the background here within the main production hall, we have a test tank facility out front, and we have a completed boat, and we have another boat that's down in the harbor. A lot of people will take delivery of their new boat here in Istanbul, and they'll run out through the Marmara Sea out into the Aegean and down into the Mediterranean, or they'll go north up into the North Sea, and some will go up to the Danube River and run through the Rhine-Danube river system up into Central Europe. We're particularly excited. You can see the factory is running at full capacity. As I mentioned earlier, we have about 13 41s in this facility, numerous others over in the layup hall. It's going full bore. We got a good complement of workers. We have over 100 people on the factory floor right now. So we're super excited about the quality, the progress.